Today we're making Gorgonzola Mousse.
This recipe is incredible because it is easy to make, super delicious, and you can really add it as the perfect appetizer.
Yeah, because you prepare it and you eat it. You don't have to do anything else.
Run through of ingredients: Gorgonzola cheese, mascarpone cheese.
And that's it.
That's it.
That's it, because the olives are for decoration and the bread is to spread
The spread.
the thing, the whatever we're preparing.
May I?
Please. This is your territory.
This is my territory. This is my territory. So what you have to do, because what we're going to be doing, we're going to be smushing with a fork the Gorgonzola cheese in the bowl. So you want to take the outer part. What are you doing? Are you doing something that I would do?
Yes.
Good. So
Wow.
you will find the exact measurements, oops, in the link below. But for now, what we're going to be doing is this. In your bowl, fork, a little bit of energy.
So you get this cream. Because the mascarpone, if you've ever had it, it has a very neutral sort of like fatty flavor, and it's perfect if you want to get a dish a little creamier without adding any flavor to it.
Yeah, it doesn't taste like
If you don't have mascarpone, I think you could use cream cheese. It's not the same because this has a greater amount of fat, but it would be okay.
Oops. Fatto. Allora, adesso.
Wow, I think I need a spoon.
I think so.
I think
too.
I'll take two, Benny.
I think you'll take two.
This is so easy.
Okay.
So the recipe, because the recipe we're using is from one of our favorite recipe books called Talismano della Felicità, and it is specified that the mascarpone should be at room temperature because you need to work and get the creaminess out of it. Did you do it?
Yes.
Finished?
I think it's perfect. Let's see if it's good. I love Gorgonzola cheese. So what she says to do is on a...
She, the author.
She, the author.
Because Benny calls the book She, because the author is one of the first women to write a recipe book in the early 1900s in Italy. So we just love her.
I'm
There
going
you
to
go.
teach you something incredible.
Once this is done, you shouldn't store it in the fridge unless you're using it like the day after. So all you need to do is we're going to be using bread. You can use like crackers or whatever.
Anything that is easily spreadable.
And this is it. This is how easy this recipe, because the mascarpone takes away that, very strong flavor that that Gorgonzola has. And what are the olives for?
So she says to chop up the olives as a decoration, which if you like olives, you may. My personal tip, so Gorgonzola cheese pairs wonderfully with something sweet. That's why Gorgonzola cheese pairs incredibly well with sweet wine. So how I love to do it, you put drops of honey, or you cut grapes in thin slices and you put it on top. Or, this is a little super treat, you take a pear and you cut it really, really like sheet thin and you place it on top, because the sweetness goes with cheese and it's just...
It is really incredible. It's really incredible. It's something that Benny taught me, and it's something that you would not expect to do with Gorgonzola.
But try it, and in the comments below, let me know how it went, because you will see it will just literally change.
Right. If you have questions, we personally answer to all the comments and the questions below. And please subscribe to the Local Aromas YouTube channel and hit the bell button, because we post a lot of videos so that you can get notified.
Buon appetito.
Buon appetito.